Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based military robot with video surveillance of human and control for web. So in this project we are using 12 volts 2 amp battery, 829 3D and LM2596 buck converter, and also using Raspberry Pi camera. So here we can see the Raspberry Pi camera, and also using Raspberry Pi 0W. So this is the 0W Raspberry Pi, and also using 32 GB memory card, and also so we will install the Raspbian OS in this memory card. After the installing of the Raspberry OS, we will write the code in Python. So that Python code will be saved in this Raspberry Bian OS in a file format. Then it will read the codes from there. So we will see how it will be works. So first of all, I will explain about how charging circuit will be works and how we will give the charging to the 12 volts 2 amp battery. So for the charging circuit, we are using two devices. One is a step down transformer, another is a rectifier. So here we can see step down transformer. It takes 230 volts of power supply from here, red color cable, and it will step down up to 9 volts. So that will be given to this rectifier. So we know that rectifier converts AC to DC. So it will taking the AC input and will convert DC. So DC will be nearly 12 volts. So that 12 volts will be given to this battery. So now I am giving the power supply. So we can see here light indication, which means this battery gets charging. So after the charging, we can remove this one. So maximum charging hours is 6 hours. Now we need to on this power supply. First of all I will explain how power supply will be given to Raspberry Pi. So this is a 12 volts 2 amp battery. So it will have a 12 volts power supply. So 12 volts power supply will be not given to this Raspberry Pi. So it requires only 5 volts of power supply. If we give more than 5 volts or less than 5 volts, it may not work. So for that's why we are using LM2596 buck converter. So it will take 12 volts input of DC and it will step down up to 5 volts DC. That 5 volts of DC will be utilized by this Raspberry Pi, and also 5 volts will be given to the 893 also. Now switch on the power supply, so we can see the light indications. After that, we need to on the hotspot. So here see hotspot. So hotspot name should be Proid 6585 without any capital letter, without any space, and password should be 129. And AP band should be 2.4 GHz. So here we can see AP band 2.4 GHz. Now one device is connected. So here we can see Raspberry Pi. So this device is connected to our hotspot. So we need to identify the IP address of this address. So instead of that, we need to go network analyzer. It is also available in Play Store. So the app interface like this. We need to go the 3 lines and have to choose line scan. So line scan means local area network scan. So we need to scan this one. If you scan this one, your Wi-Fi should be in off. Only hotspot will be in on position and data also in on position. So here we can see Raspberry Pi. So we need to go this one. So we need to copy this one. So open in Chrome. So it may not give any response due to we need to add a colon 5000. So now with the IP address this colon 5000, here we can see the camera visuals and forward, backward, left and right, and this is stop. So for this Raspberry Pi, input is a camera module and the output is a motors. So we can see input through this camera module. So here we can see input, so that will show you real demo. So now here we can see this is in a floor. So if I press this one, it will moving, so we can see the camera visualization also. And if I press this one, it will come back and stop. If I rotate right side, so we can see camera visuals. Now if I press forward, it will come near to me. And also if I press left, now if I press forward, so in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.